Today I'm going to show you how to set goals in ClickUp. Ladies and gentlemen, on the left hand side you will see a list of items that you can go into and explore. What we want to do is click on more if we do not see goals. Now if something like goals is an item that you're going to be using often, you can go ahead and click on this pin icon. It'll now pin it to this taskbar. Let's go ahead, click on goals. It'll redirect you to this page over here. This is what it'll look like if you have not yet set up a goal. So go ahead and say set a goal. And here you'll have to give yourself a goal. So let's say make more money. Right. Then we are going to go over to the owner. So here you can actually choose who is the owner of this goal within this section. You can also say who has access to this goal. So it can be private to that owner specifically, or it can be open to the entire workspace. And then you can set a date for this goal. Okay. So the start date will be today because that's what we want to do. And the end date, you can possibly say that is the end of February 28th. All right, cool. Now you need to give your goal a description. So we can just say make more money. And now you can say, okay, right over there. Make sure that you mark all of these. All right, now we have our goal. So here it is. We are 0% towards our goal. How do you actually measure that? Well, if you come down over here, it says targets are specific and measurable pieces that must be accomplished in order to reach your goal. So here you can say create a target. So you can say target 1. For example, you can add an owner again. So let's go ahead, add that owner. You can set the type of target. So let's say that it is a number like 1 or 2. Let's say it's a true or false, or a currency, or a task completion. So for in this example, we want to say, show me the money. All right, this is what we want over here. So currently, this is what we are turning. And let's say we want to actually turn like a lot more than that. Okay. Again, just for example purposes. So that's 100,000 and that's 500,000. We're going to say, okay. Now what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to add targets if you'd like to. You can then also see that this percentage will increase as you are adding in this to this goal over here, or to this target within this goal. There we go. Now you've set goals. There are many parameters that you can set goals, and you can also set multiple goals at the same time.